The only thing I ever remember was it was swallow built in the cowhouse, right? They wouldn't interfere with the swallow's nest because if it did, the cow would make blood.
My other mother got dressed out with a robin. If you see a robin coming, you always had the bad news. I think she bore that out a lot of times too. This robin would come near her, they said. And they tell her from there, and she said that was a bad, she'd rather he wouldn't come to the baby. It's really they tell her bad news about someone dead or something else after that.
I heard that if a robin comes into the house, there's supposed to be a death somewhere, and you hear of a death. So we always be frightened of a robin coming in.
Yeah, well, this man was sick in bed for a long time, like. And everyone used to see, they wanted to be going to Mass, they used to see the little bird on the window. And to be there now every time you were going, you know. It was after he died, the bird was never seen no more there.